Ever wonder why some art videos get millions of views while others struggle to break 100? The secret isn't just in the artwork. It's in the way the video is made. Today I'm going to break down the exact strategy you need to grow fast on YouTube as an artist. Why does this matter? Well, most artists focus on only their art skills, but on YouTube it's all about storytelling, engagement, and retention. If you don't understand this, your channel will stay stuck. But don't worry, I've got you covered. There's also a video on my YouTube channel that is quite interesting.
Surprise!
I just thought I'd give a huge thank you for those who joined me in on my live art
every Monday night.
Where I was talking about art and how it heals. Every Monday we will have a session like this. You're welcome to join me in. We're just doing simple little drawings and talking about art and how it heals and sharing stories together. On this platform, it is a lot about. Ever wonder why some art videos get millions of views while others struggle to break 100? The secret isn't just in the artwork. It's in the way the video is made. Today I'm going to break down the exact strategy you need to grow fast on YouTube as an artist. Why does this matter? Well, most artists focus on only their art skills, but on YouTube it's all about storytelling, engagement, and retention. If you don't understand this, your channel will stay stuck. But don't worry, I've got you covered. There's also a video on my YouTube channel that is quite interesting, and it's my take to you on how to go viral on YouTube through like the art of storytelling. So how to go viral on YouTube, that was loaded just yesterday, and go ahead and check out that video. That's another great video and great resource for you to check out. So most artists might focus on their art skills. Like I said, YouTube is all about engaging through storytelling, and your retention is going to be better if you storytell. Let's talk about the YouTube algorithm and art channels. Let's understand first YouTube's priorities. YouTube rewards videos that keep people watching. If your audience clicks away too soon, your video dies in the algorithm, no matter how good your art is. So how can you beat that algorithm system? Oh my goodness, let's see. You need to hook your viewers in the first 5 seconds. Start with a question, bold statement, or unexpected action. Keep your energy high. Use fast-paced cuts, fast-paced video clips, zooms, and engaging edits with your voice, with your video clips, with your photographs. Collaborate them all together so that they coincide with one another and run smoothly. Deliver on your promise. If there's nothing more than people hate in 2025, it is clickbait. So if the title says viral art formula, make sure that you're teaching that formula that you're talking about. Teach it well so people understand. Ask them to comment below, and if they don't understand, ask them to put a comment below so that you could clarify for them. This is very important. Next, we're going to speak about what makes art videos go viral. The top performing art video types. According to ChatGPT and YouTube statistics, speed paints and time lapses are one of them. Another one is art challenges, 24-hour painting. I tried an art challenge before, but I never recorded it. I'm now on YouTube, so I'm going to try a 24-hour art challenge soon. just let me rest up for a couple days at least before I get to that 24-hour straight art challenge. Controversial art topics. Is AI ruining creativity, for example?
Perhaps.
Or what happened to the art during World War II or World War I or World War III, or in general, what happens to art when wars break out? Your artist glow-up journey.
We can zoom in
your
pretty far.
10-year art progress, your 5-year art progress, your 6 months, your 2 months. Whatever it is, these steps, we want to celebrate these steps with you. And so do your viewers.
New equipment today.
Personally, as an artist, I find it a little more challenging to get people to
look like it stopped the
click
picture.
on your art
it's
channel right away until they get to know who you are.
I don't think
and
it's
your
a video
art evolves.
camera.
But how can you make your art videos binge-worthy, where they'll keep coming back and they just want to keep coming back for more and more, like a TV series? We all grew up on cartoons. We know Saturday binging cartoons. That was inevitable for us when we were children. Now, I'm 48 years old. And mind you, I still love Saturday cartoons. I will sit and watch them.
We're checking out.
Matter of fact, on my Facebook, I share cartoon mornings on Saturday mornings most generally. So tell a story for them to be binge-worthy. Don't just show the process. Share why your artwork matters. People want to know why it matters to you. Because if they don't know why it matters to you, it's not going to trigger emotion or connection with them.
And we're recording.
And it's not going to matter to them.
We're recording,
nothing
guys.
at all.
We are recording with the
Use
new
suspense.
little camera.
Drop
I love it.
cliffhangers.
It's lightweight. You can zoom
Blur
in.
out the final result.
You can, oh man, this is amazing. I love it. I really love it. So, you get to see some of my art and stuff. Some aspects of my studio, what we're working on again. Christ hands. Yes. Welcome to ayashaloyafinearts. Ayashaloyafinearts, same as to which. This is my little studio area. Just a corner of it. Then, another part we'll show you later. But hey, I love this little camera. It's pretty cool. It comes with a macro lens. It's lightweight, easy to use. Comes with the chip, SD chip. Everything you need. The adapter, the band to hold it. It's a flip. And it's great. So let's get to it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. I love it. Yes, ayashaloyafinearts, a new toy. A new little lightweight HD camera. I love it. I love it. I love it. Ooh. If you want to know where I got this from, you better comment below, because I ain't telling my secrets unless you subscribe, like, and comment. Share it. You're gonna, this is unbelievable. I love this little gadget. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. What is ayashaloyafinearts doing today? Love it.